Hello, hello YouTube. Right now we're gonna try microwave a banana. Banana. Let's see how we do. Sorry about the camera. Banana. Yes, how it goes. I don't have birthday. Don't ask. And sorry that I was gone for a while. I was kind of grounded and sick. Last time called it twin. And so, same microwave, same time. Except we're gonna watch the whole process. So, open microwave. Now, banana time. Yes, I used it. So, cook time, minute 20 seconds. Yeah, so we're gonna wait until like signs or something, but we're gonna try out banana. If something's gonna blow up, I'm gonna stop it because I don't want a big mess, because I don't want to be screamed at by my parents. Yes, I'm using the iPod. Don't ask, I don't have a camera. So far, no effects, and I'm starting to smell. Ooh, can you hear that? Wow. Please don't blow up. Oh, it's starting to foam now. Oh wow. Sorry that it's not like a clear one, but still we'll see it though. It's gonna be kind of hard to see through. Oh, okay. It's just starting to burst. Oh, it's starting to gain brown now. 10 seconds left. Wow. Wow, that smells pretty good though. Yeah, it kind of blew a little bit. And everything's soft, I think. It's all soft and gooey. No, it's not too soft. It's still hot. Yeah, it's just... yeah. I'm gonna grab a little fork here. A actual little fork. And see here. Very soft. It goes right through like butter. See? Like butter. Just... Okay, now let's grab some. Yeah. Smells pretty good. Pretty good. But you're like one of those vegetarians that would just eat fruits and vegetables and tofu. Yeah, screw you guys. Oh man, I hate those freaking vegetarians. But this is just one occasion. It's one thing, meat, it doesn't have an effect, it just cooks. The heck? Sorry about the tongue, it's just strange texture though, like literally it's strange texture. And should this be like vegetable, not fruit, since it doesn't have seeds? Huh? I'm proving my point, it doesn't have seeds, but it counts as a fruit though. But one thing, it should be a vegetable since it doesn't have seeds. Huh? looks like zucchini or something. Look at that. It looks like string out zucchini or some sort of vegetable. I forgot what it's called. Forgot. But that's kind of disgusting a little bit. It looks a little stringy, like not Brussels sprout, but yes, I'm German, but I'm in America though. Kansas. Kansas is awesome. I wish. But still has a very peaceful place though. Remember when we got it, it was all yellow? It's all brown. Look at that. It's all brown. It's all brown. Look at that. Look at this. Right here. Yellow, brown. Yellow, brown. But have you viewed, and please give a comment below. Give me ideas, and I'll try my best. Okay, I don't have any marshmallows. I don't have any, soaps or anything. See, I don't want to damage the microwave. Okay, that's the only one that we'll have. Okay, my friends aren't, with me or watching me or hearing this. But one thing. I don't know what to say. Sorry about the beginning, but give me a subscribe on below, and give me ideas by giving me some comments. I don't have Facebook, I don't have any Tumblr or anything like that. Just give me comments below. So,